Hello, welcome back to the channel, people. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create custom vibration alerts on your iPhone. So first up, why do this? Well, it's a very good way to know exactly who's calling or texting you without even taking your phone out of your pocket. So here's how. Select a contact you'd like to do this for, click on them and click on edit in the top right hand corner. Scroll down to text tone if that's what you'd like to set, but for this video we're doing it for ringtone only. Once in ringtone, select vibration, then scroll down to the bottom to the custom tab and click on create new vibration. It is here you can set whatever vibration you'd like. All you have to do is tap on the screen to create a vibration pattern that you would like. You will see it going along the bottom there in the bar. Once you're happy with it, that'll stop. Play it back, make sure you're happy, and then you can click on save in the top right hand corner once you're happy with it. It will now ask you to name your vibration, give it something that's memorable. Now that you have saved your new vibration, you will see it appear in the custom tab. So just hit ringtone in the top left hand corner and then you will see it says new vibration in the vibration tab. Now when that contact calls you, it will use the vibration which you've just made, so you know exactly who's calling you without even looking at your phone. Right, well that's it for today's video. I do hope you found it helpful. If so, please drop a like and comment below and consider subscribing to the channel Into Tech. Thank you.